this year. Or a butt.
Only you would think that.
Nobody likes snakes and sparklers.
The snakes always creep me out.
I wonder how long I can take video for. This usually goes like 20 minutes, doesn't it?
Yeah, about.
That's what she said.
It's a good time to shoot for her.
With the finishing bukkake.
You got him hooked on that. Come on.
Follow more of my YouTube videos. Mostly me on the sports tent.
Scott Cooley's down here taking pictures of this.
Of course he is.
He posted it on his Facebook, but he said he's not paying to watch them.
You still have them on your Facebook?
I don't delete people, you know me.
I can just do it for you if you want.
Oh, no. I feel better about myself when I read his Facebook.
I feel worse about humanity.
A lot, too.
Think about this, he's on disability, your tax dollars are paying for him.
I know. That's why I don't pay like that. Send me to jail with it.
Thank God I got the 64 gig iPod.
My brother just got one of those, the touch ones or whatever.
Yeah?
Yeah, he got, didn't a newer version just come out or something? Like a couple,
This is the latest one.
yeah, that's why he bought it at like Best Buy.
I don't know. Make a dragon.
Come on, man.
When do they take requests?
They're good pyrotechnics.
You gotta swim over
They're
to
no
the,
Gandalf.
you gotta swim over to the barge and ask. Steve, swim over the barge and request a dragon.
What?
I'll watch your bag.
This must be the Canada part. And of course, the last 5 seconds followed by 8 minutes of America.
That's cool. I'll just do
Looks like a messed up game of asteroids. Oh, now we're celebrating Mexico. And year after year I watch on TV, they don't even get through the national anthem. And our national anthem, 60 seconds. Whoa! I love those big ones. Shut up. I'm gonna have to split this into 2 videos.